none of this is to, like, none of this is about patting myself on the back. It's for the people that are out there that have some sort of resistance, some sort of thing going on for them around standard operating procedures. Standard operating procedures get a bad rap in manufacturing. And I think that really prevents a lot of you out there from seeing them as the tool that they really are. You may be thinking, as a manufacturing technology specialist, it's a little bit odd to be talking about standard operating procedures. That could be because we see them very differently. They are a powerful tool to have in your work belt to help justify changes, growth, calculate ROI. So I'm going to be doing a series around my mindset when it comes to standard operating procedures and how I see them as a tool. I'm going to start this series. This is part 1 of an undetermined amount of parts. All I know is tonight, when I tried to fit this all in a short enough video, I wasn't able to. So this first one is a quick story about my first job. My first job was collecting balls at an indoor driving range. I had a lot of other parts to my job, but the collecting balls specifically is where this story involves. So, if you've never driven a go-kart dragging around a golf ball picker, you may not be aware that driving around when there's not enough balls on the field makes it to be extremely long, arduous, and seemingly pointless. What I realized quickly after being trained and starting to work the job, that simply going out at set times didn't make a lot of sense. What I realized is there's an optimum volume on the floor to make my time as efficient as possible so that I could collect the most amount of balls possible, so I could do all of the other parts of my job. I didn't realize this was called standard operating procedure. I just saw what I was doing, realized that the amount of time it took to do it as designed resulted in a lot of unneeded effort, and I was tired of going home stressed out, burnt out, and pissed off. I also didn't realize that making my job easier and reducing the stress of my coworkers was going to ruffle my supervisor's feathers. After 3 months, I found myself transferring to a new department. So as you finish this video, understand that standard operating procedures are a tool for your tool belt. Follow along as I continue to share piece by piece my mindset and how it's helped me be a top performer in every job. Until next time, keep your spindles turning and earning.